In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Zendesk. First things first, let's navigate to the Zendesk website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button, so go ahead and click that. A new sign in page will appear. Yes, you'll need to click sign in once more. This is where you'll enter your current email address and password associated with your Zendesk account. After inputting your credentials, hit enter or click sign in to proceed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate your profile photo on the page. This is usually found at the upper right corner. Clicking on your profile photo will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you want to select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal profile page on Zendesk, which contains various details about your account settings. As we continue, look for the Security Settings option. It should be relatively easy to find, but if you're having trouble, it's usually located towards the left side of your screen. Click on it to move forward in the process. Under the Security Settings section, you'll see an area dedicated to your password with a Change button right next to it. Go ahead and click on Change to initiate the password update process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that it's really you making the changes to your account. Carefully type in your existing password in the provided field. Following that, it's time to introduce your new password. You'll need to type your new password into the designated space and then type it again in the next field to verify it. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password that's hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. Once you're satisfied with your new password, look for the Save button. This is the big moment. By clicking Save, your password will be officially changed. Go ahead, click it with confidence. Finally, for the changes to take full effect, you will need to re-log in. This means heading back to the sign-in page, entering your email, and using your newly created password to access your Zendesk account. Once entered, click the Sign In button one more time to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your password on Zendesk. This is not just about maintaining access to your account, it's also about ensuring that your information remains secure. Remember, it's a good practice to regularly update your passwords and to use unique passwords for different platforms. I hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital resources effectively and securely.